Today we are unboxing the Samsung M5 27 inches smart monitor. As usual, we are going to use our favorite knife to cut open the box. Comes in a very nice packaging from Samsung. Yeah, I'm a little rusty with the knife, but I'm sure we'll get it there. Okay, finally we've managed to open the cardboard box. What all we have? The usual paperwork. There's a remote and some wires. Let's see. Okay, let's open this up. We might have to just tear it off. Yep. So there we have the HDMI cable. Looks pretty decent. The power cable for the monitor. And because it is a smart monitor, you get a remote to control it as well with some dedicated keys for Netflix, Hotstar, and other OTTs. Okay, so there are two batteries that come with it as well. The usual paperwork. What else is in the box? Let's see. Okay, couple of things. The first one is this arm that gets attached to the base and the monitor. There's this nice clip to put your wires through that. That's the base of the monitor. It's pretty heavy, I must say. Very well built. It's a metal base, and you have to put the arm like this, and on which the monitor would rest. Let's see what else we have. Okay, that's the monitor. Let me remove it carefully. I have previously broken one of the LED TVs just trying to move them from one place to another. The monitor seems pretty decent in terms of the size as well as the weight. The build quality seems definitely good. Comes with two HDMI port, two USB ports, and Okay, so how do we attach this with the monitor? Let's see. Let's remove these screws first. So there's just one screw that you have to tighten, and then on top of this arm there are two screws that go like this behind the monitor. Use a flat surface with a soft cloth or something so that the screen doesn't get damaged. I'm using the same cloth that came, the protective cover that came with the screen. So like I said, there are two screws. Tighten them, but don't tighten them too much, or you might end up breaking these brackets in which it goes. Just enough, not too much, not too less. Okay, so that is how the monitor is going to look like. So you can tilt the monitor, but it's not height adjustable. That's the power cable. Decent length and very well built quality as compared to my previous Lenovo monitor that I was using. And the screen size is pretty decent too. I'm mostly going to use it for my office stuff. Let's just put the remote, turn it on. So it'll ask you for some configuration, largely to connect to a internet source. And if you have your Samsung account, you can sign in to that as well. Some user agreement that you need to accept. Just checking for updates. There were no updates. Asking for the postal code. I might skip a lot of this for now. It's connected to the home Wi-Fi. Yep. And it's setting up. And that's it. It's done.